Welcome to the future of technology, where we explore the latest advancements and innovations that are shaping our world. Today we'll dive into several fascinating developments. Sometimes new future technologies can offer amazing development while also being incredibly creepy. That's one way to describe the idea of necrobotics. A team of researchers at Rice University is exploring the concept of turning dead things into robots. The team turned a dead spider into a robot-like gripper, giving it the ability to pick up other objects. How did they do it? By injecting the spider with air. This works because spiders use hydraulics to force their version of blood into their limbs, making them extend. Right now, this concept is in its infant stages, but it could mean a future where dead animals are used to further science. It all feels very Frankenstein. Not every technology that improves our future has to be complicated. Some are simple, yet extremely effective. One of these technologies has come from Finnish engineers who have found a way to turn sand into a giant battery. The engineers piled 100 tons of sand into a 4x7-meter steel container and heated it up using wind and solar energy. This heat can then be distributed by a local energy company to provide warmth to buildings in nearby areas. Energy can be stored this way for long periods of time through a concept known as resistive heating. This is where a material is heated by the friction of electrical currents, and sand and any other non-superconductor are warmed by the electricity passing through them, generating heat that can be used for energy. Inserting the heart of a pig into a human feels like a bad idea, and yet, this is one of the latest medical procedures that is seeing rapid progress. Xenotransplantation, the procedure of transplanting, implementing, or infusing a human with cells, tissues, or organs from an animal source, has the potential to revolutionize surgery. One of the most common procedures performed so far is the insertion of a pig's heart into a human, which has now happened twice. Artificial intelligence has taken the world of art by storm, with companies like OpenAI leading the way. One of their latest projects, Dall-E 2, is a software that generates images from text prompts. Type in a description such as, "a dog wearing a cowboy hat singing in the rain," and Dall-E 2 will create unique and original images that fit that description. The software also allows users to choose the style of art they would like their request to be returned in. While the technology is still in its early stages and has some limitations, the team behind Dall-E 2 plans to continue developing it. In the future, we could see AI used to create art exhibitions, original illustrations for companies, and even revolutionize the way we create memes on the internet. The use of brain-reading technology has come a long way in recent years, and researchers at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Lausanne have made significant progress. They have developed a machine learning algorithm that, combined with a robot arm and a brain-computer interface, allows tetraplegic patients to interact with the world. In tests, the robot arm would perform simple tasks like moving around an obstacle, and the algorithm would interpret signals from the brain and automatically determine when the arm made an incorrect move. Over time, the algorithm can adjust to an individual's preferences and brain signals. This could lead to brain-controlled wheelchairs or assistance machines for tetraplegic patients in the future. In science fiction, human beings can walk into a medbay and have their entire body scanned for signs of illness and injury. And now, thanks to Q-Bio, this could soon become a reality. A company has built a scanner that can measure hundreds of biomarkers in around an hour, from hormone levels to the fat building up in the liver to markers of inflammation or cancer. This data is used to create a 3D digital avatar of a patient's body, known as a digital twin, which can be tracked over time and updated with each new scan. Q-Bio's CEO, Jeff Kaditz, hopes this will lead to a new era of preventative, personalized medicine, in which the vast amounts of data collected not only help doctors prioritize which patients need to be seen most urgently, but also to develop more sophisticated ways of diagnosing illness. Natural language processing is taking over the internet, and OpenAI is at the forefront of this trend. OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT, powered by GPT-3, it is capable of full-length conversations, creating poems, explaining complex theories, and even making jokes. Trained on billions of examples of text, ChatGPT is an example of artificial intelligence and its future, proving its ability to create new websites, write entire books, and more. We hope you enjoyed exploring these fascinating developments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content like this.